All right, cable's starting to move a little bit higher now. It's at 56, 57. So if we get up in there in the mid 60s, I would like to short it. Before I saw it get as high as 57, so I've got a 56, 57 on the sell price now. We're going to get a higher high on cable here. Let's give it a chance to fight through this high here for cable. Look and see, here's the high, and now here's the price action now. Trying to pop over this high and get up to the L7, which is about 5-6 pips higher. Currently, it hasn't been able to get above that 57 yet. All right, there's 62, 63 and a half, 63. It's about the area I want to be. We're going to pop up any higher, maybe 60, there's 64. All right, I'm going to get in here then. Filled at 63. Short cable. All right, this is a reversal trade from the 5 or so. We also have got a 1-minute L7 and a 15-minute L1. All right, so this is the level we kind of want to hold. And I'm in at 63. I'm going to put a stop above probably, I wanted to say like 71 or 74, but 79 is probably the one that has to work. Euro dollar, if we get up to 67 or so, I'd like to do that too. Got a 61 on euro, so I'm looking for around a 66, 67, or even 70 would be nice. $61.8 on euro, 63.7, so 64.5 on euro. I'd like to get it up in this area. There's 63, 64. Alright, 64 as high as we're going to get. Alright, I'll get in at 63 on short on euro too. Alright, so short 63 on both. I'm short 63 on euro and short 63 on cable. Euro still looks like it wants to float up a little bit. So euro did get up to the 67 area, which is where it's at now. There's a 5-minute L7 at 63 because this is, I mean, there is an hour, you have hour boxes down here, but we are in, basically what I was looking at, the biggest thing, Tony, is this, we've broken the L7 on the 5-minute right here. The L1's broken through. This is usually a very strong signal to continue lower. Combined with you have the head of the snake leading down. Now we do have these hour levels here. But the short-term trends are down. Now the hour level's up. See that? So that's one thing we got to be cautious of. This hour trend could kick back in. But if you see the head of the snake, it's leading down, or it's not leading with these 1 hours. That's the only thing that might be confusing to some. If you look at this though, you basically have a trend trade, head of the snake down at a 5-minute entry. Alright. So this is kind of borderline tripod-ish, especially from down here. If we get down here, we could probably do, a tripod or something like that to get this thing higher. This could be actually considered a tripod now. You're in between the 2-hour boxes, and your 1 minutes are making higher highs now, and your overall time frame, hour, is up. So it is something to be cautious about. See, it's an nice uptrend on the hour. Now, if this uptrend gives a pullback, well, that's great. We could come down pretty low. But right now we're in an uptrend at a very possible bounce point for euro. But I do like this pattern on the 5 minute. If we break above this 5 minute L7, I'm going to get out of this trade. This is cable dropping a little bit. We're at 59.60, so +3 on that position momentarily. Euro dollar just hanging out here around its L7 on the 5, just under its L7 on the 5 minute. Got a 58.59, 57.59 on cable, +4, and then euro is starting to come on back a little bit. Now, if this holds itself, this pattern starts forming a few red candles right under this 5 minute, we might be able to hang on to it for a few minutes, see if we can't get a new low. Now, the low is 34. Got a 58.59 +4 on cable, 63.64 -1 on euro. Oh man, I would have loved to get in at 78 euro. You know it. Someone needs to get out for us. It's usually me. Someone else needs to take the turn. All right, 56 on cable +7. 55, 54 +9. There we go. Gonna show me +10 on this so I can take half off. Oh, really? Just gonna get the +9, I see. Ah. Alright, well, I had +9 for a moment. Now it's popped back up. But, I'm looking at this L7 as it holding. So maybe we're going to start the curling action now. We'll see. Hope so, because now we're pulling back up. Let them float for a minute. Alright, the Dow's starting to take a hit here. Just bounced down off of 12,480. Got a +756 on cable at the moment. This 1 minute L2 needs to give up on cable. Alright, thanks, Rick. Rick did it. Rick took one for the team. Jack took 8 on euro dollar. Terrence took 3 on euro dollar. Olaf took 2 good trades. You got it, man. Silky +8 on half. Rick took 5 on cable and is getting out for the benefit of us all. Here we go, 53.55. Thank you, sir. Looking like it is working for us. All right, so here's a +8, 55. Keep going. Also got a 57 +6 on euro right now. went for lower though. We just had good bounces off our 5-minute L7s on Euro and 5-minute box on cable. There's 53 plus 10 on cable. So I'm going to take half off of that. Got the other half running. I got a 56 plus 7, 55 plus 8, 54 plus 9 on Euro. There's 50 plus 13 on cable. There's plus 9 on Euro. I'm going to probably take plus 10 on half a Euro. There it is. 53. All right, I'm taking half off of Euro. Wait. There's 52 plus 11. We going lower? Cable at 47 plus 16. 52 plus 11 on Euro. I'm taking half there. Cable at 47. I'm out. I gotta post it though. Exit cable. USD from 63 at 47 plus 16 pips. Man, it took me out. I did exit the whole thing a Euro. I thought I had the other one running, but I took it all off. All right, well, I'm flat. How'd everyone do? Let's see. Farouk Paul took 9 on Euro. Shalesh took plus 2. That started the ball rolling. True. True. Thanks, Rick, for getting out. It does work every time. Thanks for taking the 5 so we could all take 10 plus. Silky took 10 on his balance. All right, Dave wants to hold. I understand it, man. I might want to get back in. Um, Jamie took 17 on cable. You got it, man. Uh, all right, and Dave took 16 on Euro, and we'll enter higher. Very good, gentlemen. All right. Well, that's pretty good. That's so far we've got 24 pips on the session just like that.